Mi 10 Pro Plus tip to come with customizable GPU feature called Game Mode. The Mi 10 Pro Plus could come with a customizable GPU feature. Mi 10 Pro Plus leaks have been picking up pace lately, and after the last leak where it was touted to be the fastest charging phone this year, a fresh leak gives us details on a new customizable GPU feature called Game Mode. The leak suggests the Game Mode has been engineered by Xiaomi and Qualcomm both and that it will allow users to adjust GPU parameters and modes, including GPU frequency adjustment and more. This new Game Mode is tipped to be integrated into the upcoming Mi 10 Pro Plus. Tipster Ice Universe tweeted that the Mi 10 Pro Plus will incorporate this new Game Mode. He wrote that this new feature has been developed by Xiaomi and Qualcomm's GPU team and it allows users to customize the GPU parameters at will. Based on screenshots shared by the tipster, this new Game Mode will allow users to tweak graphic settings like anti-aliasing, anisotropic filtering, and texture filtering. It looks to allow Mi 10 Pro Plus users adjust GPU frequency, in addition to controls for other GPU parameters and modes. Mi 10 Pro Plus is tipped to come with a combination of wired, wireless, and reverse wireless fast charging technology. The model number M2007J1SC is widely expected to be associated with the Mi 10 Pro Plus, and this model was recently spotted on Antutu with a massive score of 687,422. A high-end flagship was recently also teased by Xiaomi CEO Lei Jun, and this flagship is largely expected to be the Mi 10 Pro Plus. He suggests that the Xiaomi flagship will come with a high refresh rate, 4,500 mAh battery, 30x camera zoom, built-in stereo speakers, NFC support, infrared remote control sensor, and an in-display fingerprint scanner. The Mi 10 Pro Plus is expected to launch sometime in August. For more updates, subscribe to Tech News and share this video.